Time to tumble into the laundry room. Let's find out what's spinning, steaming, and sorting behind the scenes. The washing machine is a cleaning champ. It spins water and soap all around super fast, creating swirly whirlpools. But that's not all. Inside the soap are enzymes, like tiny superheroes that zoom in to break down yucky stains from food, grass, and even sweat. Some enzymes target proteins, others go after oils, like a superhero team with special powers. Fun fact, some machines can sense how dirty your clothes are and adjust the wash. The dryer is like a warm, windy tunnel. It blows hot air and spins clothes around and around, helping water escape as steam. The tumbling stops clothes from clumping together so they dry faster and fluffier. And don't forget the lint trap. It's the secret catcher of all the fuzzy bits that come off your clothes. If too much lint builds up, it can block airflow, so always clean it out. Fun fact, dryers have sensors that can tell when your clothes are dry so they don't overheat. Clothes pegs might be small, but they're super strong. They use a spring to pinch tight and hold onto your clothes, even when it's windy. In the olden days, pegs were just two sticks held together with a rubber band or string. Now they come in plastic, wood, even eco-materials. Fun fact, there are peg designs just for socks, baby clothes, and even windy days. The iron is a heat hero. It gets hot and sends out steam that relaxes the fabric fibers in your clothes. Imagine your shirt taking a warm, steamy nap. Ah, no more wrinkles. The steam softens the cloth, and the pressure from the iron flattens it out. Some irons even have special settings for silk, cotton, or linen. Fun fact, the first electric iron was invented over 100 years ago. Did you know some laundry baskets are made from recycled plastic? That means old bottles, containers, and even shopping bags can become brand new baskets. Recycling saves energy, reduces waste, and gives old stuff a brand new purpose, like carrying socks instead of soda. Fun fact, recycling just one plastic bottle can save enough energy to power a light bulb for 3 hours. That's the scoop from the laundry loop. See you next time for more fun facts around the house.